Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do my lunch meal prep for the week right now. So I'm gonna do a chicken recipe. It's gonna be chicken piccata, keto friendly of course, and I will definitely put the recipe for this in the description box. So check that out if you wanna make this one. It is really yummy. So I'm gonna have my chicken breast. I'm gonna put a little bit of almond flour on the chicken breast. And I'm gonna cook it up. I'm gonna make the piccata sauce with, I have lemon, capers, butter, and then I'm just gonna do a side of steamed broccoli for my lunch for this week. So this dish is really good, really easy to make like all my other recipes. If you're new here, go check those out. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you get a notification when I post all my new videos. I have them out on the weekends and lots of videos throughout the week as well. So check them all out if you haven't already. So I'm gonna first get the chicken cooking and we'll make lunch for this week.
So I'm going to use 2 chicken breasts for this recipe. So I'm going to cut it into some smaller pieces. So I'm going to fly it open and then I'm going to cut it again to make about 4 pieces per chicken, just to make them smaller. Once my chicken is all cut, I'm going to add some almond flour onto it. This will just give it a little bit of coating when we cook it. So almond flour is really great if you're on the keto diet, really low carb. So I'm going to put almond flour on each piece of chicken. I'm going to add my olive oil into my pan. I have it on medium heat right now on the stove. So I'm going to let that heat for a minute. And now I'm going to put in the chicken. So I'm just going to put it flat into the pan and I'm going to cook it on each side for about 5 to 6 minutes. Alright, it's starting to cook through, so I'm going to flip it over and cook it on the other side for another 5 to 6 minutes. So once the chicken is done, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to use the same pan for my sauce. So I have a 1/4 cup of butter. I'm going to let the butter melt a bit. And I have all the pieces left over from the chicken, which is just fine, and it'll give it lots of good flavor. So once the butter's melted, I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video that there is heavy whipping cream in this. Makes it really great and definitely keto. So I'm going to add that in and I'm going to juice in 2 lemons. Once that's juiced in, I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of capers that are drained. And I'm going to stir it all together. I'm going to make it all nice and smooth with the whisk, and this sauce is really good. I'm going to let it cook on the stove until everything's melted through. And now I'm going to add back in the chicken so that the chicken can get coated with this yummy sauce. So I'm going to put that in. I'm going to let it cook on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes just so that it gets all the flavor into the chicken. I'm just going to do an easy side of broccoli. I'm going to steam it in my steamer basket, so it'll steam for about 5 to 6 minutes and it'll be ready.
Alright, so the keto chicken piccata is done. I have the steamed broccoli, so I'm going to portion it into my meal prep containers, then lunch will be ready for the week. All I have to do is grab this, put it in the microwave for a minute, and lunch is ready, and it's super healthy. So check the description for the recipe. I forgot to mention at the beginning that there was heavy cream in this. So you saw that as I was cooking it, but it'll be in the recipe description as well. So I'm going to portion it into my containers and then we're ready to go. Alright, so lunch is portioned out, ready to go. This chicken piccata recipe has so much flavor and it's so delicious, and keeping it keto friendly this week for our lunch meal prep. So check the description, like I said, for the recipe. It's really, really good, tons of flavor. And thanks for watching. I hope that you have a great day. Don't forget to click subscribe, leave me a comment if you have any questions, and put a like on this video if you liked it. I will see you all next time. I hope that you have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.